How to download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also looking for ways to download YouTube videos without having YouTube Premium, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just open up your YouTube channel and make sure you're currently logged into your account. So once you're inside your YouTube, so let's say I want to download this particular video over here. So I'll simply tap on that, and just keep in mind that not every single video has a download option just like this. As you can see, this one has a download button over here. So if that particular video doesn't have download button, that means they haven't allowed it in their settings or from their settings from that particular user who uploaded the video. So since you get this download video option over here, you can just press on it, and if you have a YouTube Premium, you can actually download it for full HD, that is 1080p. So if you don't want to use YouTube Premium but still want to download, then you can go for these options such as medium or low, and you can simply click on download to actually download the particular video just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.